Now, dear students, the next thing we will discuss now is regarding the drill files. So, for generating the drill files in the KiCad, first you can go over here in the file, over here on the plot, and then you can see over here generate drill files, and this will open up the generate drill files window. This is one way to do that. The next thing, you can generate drill files by going to file, manufacturing fabrication output, and over here you can see this one. Click on this drill files. So this will open the generate drill files window. So KiCad can generate CNC drilling files required by most PCB manufacturing process in either Excellon or Gerber X2 format. Over here you can see we have two formats, drill file format in Excellon or Gerber X2. KiCad can also generate a drill map, a graphical plot of board showing drill locations. So select the drill files option from fabrication output menu to open the dialog. So we have done this by going to file, fabrication output, and then we have open up this dialog box. So the one by one we will see different things over here. The first thing over here is the output folder. It's actually the directory where you want to store your drill files. And the next thing is the drill file format. We have two file formats over here, either it's Excellon or Gerber X2 format. So if I choose over here, then we have the options gets active like mirror y-axis. For Excellon files, choose whether or not to mirror the y-axis coordinates. This option should be in general not be used when having PCB manufactured by third party, and is provided for convenience for users who are making PCBs themselves. So the next thing over here is the minimal header option. For Excellon files, choose whether to output a minimal header rather than a full file header. This option should not be enabled unless requested by the manufacturer. In the similar format, Excellon format, we have the PTH and NPTH in single file, which means PTH means plated through hole, and NPTH means non-plated through holes. So by default, plated holes and non-plated holes will be generated in two different Excellon files. With this option enabled, both will be merged in a single file. This option should not be enabled unless requested by your manufacturer. The next option is oval holes drill mode. There are two options over here in this oval hole drill modes. That is use route command. Use route command. Over here you can in the oval hole drill mode controls how oval holes are represented in Excellon drill files. The default setting is use route command is recommended, is correct for most manufacturers. Only choose the use alternate drill mode setting if requested by your manufacturer. So this one is recommended, and if your manufacturer asks for use alternate drill mode, then you have to choose this in your Excellon drill file format. If you choose Gerber X2, then it has no other options regarding the Gerber X2 format. And if you choose Excellon format, you can see that drill units gets activated and zeros format gets activated. Zero format options get activated if you are using Excellon format. But if you choose Gerber X2 format, then you see drill units and zero format options are now not activated. So the next thing is map file format. These are a list of different map file formats provided by the KiCad. Then we have the drill origin. We have two options, absolute and drill place file origins. In the drill origin, choose the coordinate origin for drill file. Absolute will use the page origin as top left corner, at the top left corner, and drill page file origin will use the origin specified by the board design. So in the drill origin we have two options, like the absolute. In the absolute, it will use the origin on the top left corner of the page, but if we choose drill place for a file origin, then it will use the origin specified in the board design. Then we have the options of drill units, like if you choose Excellon format, then we have drill units and zero format. Drill unit we have millimeters and inches, and choose the units for drill coordinates and sizes in this drill unit section. The next is zero format. It controls how numbers are formatted in Excellon drill file. Select an options here based on your manufacturer recommendation. So this section, if you choose Excellon, then you have to ask your manufacturer about the zero format. But mostly the manufacturer will accept this Gerber X2 format for your drill files. Mostly these are used. Excellon is mostly not used. So it's just the thing. It's all the things that are recommended by the manufacturer. Either he can accept file in a drill file in Excellon format or Gerber X2 format. I most of the time use Gerber X2 format. So hope you have understood the role of drill files. Drill files actually plays a very crucial role for drilling the holes in the PCB. Either it could be the mounting holes, through holes, and PTH, NPTH. All these holes are drilled in the PCB. So drill files play a very crucial role for manufacturing the PCB.